Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Sinagot ni Bella Padilla ang isang netizen na nagkomento na hindi siya bagay maging regular host ng noontime show na It's Showtime. Ayon sa netizen, mas smarter at intelligent si Bella kaya hindi raw ito akma sa kanya. I saw you on that show with Vice Ganda and her gang. I have to say, it doesn't suit you. You come across as a smarter actress and intelligent filmmaker. All this nonsense shows with their stupid ship jokes at the expense of their guests is not you. I'm just saying. Sabi ng netizen sa isang Instagram post ng aktres. Mukhang naka-trigger ito kay Bella kaya nag-reply siya para ipahayag ang kanyang hindi pagsang-ayon. I totally disagree. If one is truly smart, they can adapt to any environment. Always have the best time when I'm on Showtime. I genuinely love talking to people and making them laugh, and I am self-deprecating enough to be laughed at too, so it goes both ways. I've been regularly visiting Showtime since 2017 and I'm lucky that Vice and her gang always make me feel welcome and never oblige me to let go of what I really am, which is a filmmaker. Matatanda ang napapadalas ang appearance ni Bella sa It's Showtime kung saan dumarami rin ang mga nagre-request mula sa madlang people na gawin siyang mainstay host. Bukod sa kanyang mahusay na hosting skills, marami rin ang natutuwa sa kanyang kakulitan sa show, pati na rin ang galing niya sa pagbibigay ng advice sa segment na, Especially for You. Sa katunayan, madalas silang nagbabatuhan ni Vice Ganda ng mga payo para sa mga contestants.